Hi, this is Ken from Pepper Jobs, and I would like to introduce you guys the new mini PC that our company has made for this year. It's based on the new Intel Gemini Lake platform with the DIY factors on the back of the computer. You can add your own RAM and SSD. It supports both the SATA and the PCIe interface. On the side, you have the power button and the TAF card slot, two USB 3.0 ports, and there are two USB-C ports. One of them is the full-feature USB-C port, and the other one is for data, for the faster transfer for files. And here comes triple video outputs. You can do mini DP for 4K 60 Hz. Here is 4K 60 Hz, and another HDMI 2.0, which is also 4K 60 Hz. And there's another extra 4K output from the USB-C port. And we also have the Gigabit Ethernet and the active cooling system that draws the air inward inside the case and to cool down the board. Yeah. So this is our brand logo, which is a pepper, and also it's a hi. So it's a greeting to all our users. And the design of this computer, we have integrated cooling system, which is quite hidden for the whole around the cases. So the air goes inside from here, and then it comes out brings out the heat from the other side. And this is one of our special design for this project. And this is a live demo of the computer. And here I want to show you. This is a quad-core Celeron, which do the 10-bit VP9 decoding and also 10-bit HEVC decoding. The max DDR support would be 8 GB. It's either one 8 GB SODIMM or two 4 GB SODIMMs. It has also Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. So the OS is Windows 10, Windows 10 Pro. So we started the development of this mini PC from Q4 of last year, and now we are demonstrating this computer with a live demo. It's being connected to this monitor now, and is demoing the 4K 60 Hz output, which is the only demo that doing live demo here in the show. And there are many companies showing maybe posters, but there are not many live machines that could be shown in this show. This is the W10 gyro remote that we have been designed for Windows 10 OS. We have integrated all those important hotkeys of the Windows 10 system to this remote. For example, you can close any application by pressing close. You can launch the settings just by one press, and then you can switch the tasks like by by one single press. And then there are also other features like this Windows hotkey shortcut, and then you can launch the task manager by just pressing a key. So this is the first remote that's been designed for Windows 10. It comes with a gyro that you can control easily, like swiping your wrist through the air. Also, it comes with a full QWERTY keyboard on the back, and both sides you have the LED light, which glows when you flip over. It changes direction of the LED, and it comes back when you flip over again. And this remote will be available this month, and our Gemini Lake mini PC will be available at the end of May.